Hi, we are Mickey and Lindsay. Mickey? Her real name is Monique. But personally,
Monique?
yeah, I like to call her Monique.
That's what the orthodontist calls me, because she's a faggot.
Yeah, she doesn't really get it. I just like I don't think, how can you not understand? It's Monique. Not Monique, not
it
Monique.
It doesn't have an IE, or
yeah.
a UA, or a...
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just Lindsay. And everybody spells it L-I-N-D-S-E-Y, but it's really spelled L-I-N-D-S-A-Y. And it's
with a big
A, like
put
in
your,
the
put your line through it.
A.
Put your line through my A. A.
Yeah. A, you know? Okay, so the thing is, I'm trying to look at the camera, you know? But I don't know if I am, because I can't see anything in these glasses.
She's retarded.
Because they're not my glasses. They're my dad's. Cause
he got them for his big 5-0.
Yeah, the party was today, and they had some pretty funny things, you know. They gave him some hemorrhoid cream, some denture cream.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
Oh, and Viagra.
And
Viagra.
Yeah, that too.
For the vajay. For the twinker. Twinker.
Yeah, you're a little off. Ooh, gee, that's a lot better. Just a wee, you know.
Oh, these are my boyfriend's glasses that...
Nolan's, you know, he left them on my bathroom. Or, you know, my toilet.
There's some grapes of heaven there.
I bet. Yeah, I took them. They're fine.
But he's a douchebag right now.
Suck it.
So.
Because he went to movies with Casey. Yeah, who goes to movies with Fire Crotch Casey? Really? Because I don't see me going, you know. I'll go with her.
She's gone to school. She doesn't even know it.
She's old school.
Dang.
She's old news, because y'all do that. Y'all do that.
You don't say that.
Y'all say that. Y'all say that.
You just don't say that.
You just don't say that. You know what I mean?
So yeah, we're Mickey
totally.
and Lindsay.
Yeah, and this is our first vid.
ML Kool-Aid.
Yeah.
Hit
totally.
it up.
Yeah. Because she's Momo.
And she's
Lindsay. Yeah, and I want to
Momo.
Kool-Aid that. And Momo needs to get it, you know?
Yeah, because it's up
where it's
someone's
at.
butt, but I have to find
preferably, you know?
So yeah, this is our intro.
Our intro vid, you know?
Yeah, so yeah, I'm Momo.
I know you guys are all, I know what you guys are all thinking. These girls are just faggots. And
but we're cool.
Every joke they make, I just laugh so hard that I fall off my dinosaur.
Yeah, I fell off mine a bunch of times before, so
yeah, like a volleyball so much. You just can't even believe it. You should see our volleyball days. It was just amazing. And I know what else you guys are thinking. Lindsay's glasses are really cool. And even though she can't see, she just looks amazing with that tape in the middle of them, and I'm jealous. I know. Okay?
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. So